Hello.
And that's Abby.
Hi.
Welcome back, Bucket List Buddies, and this is part 2 of my trip through Texas. So in this episode we're going to meet my nephew Josh and his girlfriend in Austin, and they're going to show me around a little bit, and then we're going to head on down to San Antonio, where I took a little tour to the Alamo, as well as went on a cave exploration in the Natural Bridge Caves. So that was actually kind of fun. And we also had a close call on my rig at a particular campground pulling out in San Antonio. On my way out of Texas, I thought we were going to tear some things off, but you'll see that here later in the video. So here we go, let's get started. Hello, Bucket List Buddies. Here I am with my nephew Josh and his girlfriend Abby.
Hello.
Hello.
And they've been kind enough to host me in their little town and show me around. And we're going to spend the next couple days going out, great places to eat, do a little hiking, sightseeing, things like that. Going to see some great sunsets. They told me about a place that we're going to go to. So we should have a lot of fun.
Good food, good sights, see some murals down in Austin, and gonna enjoy Texas.
It's going to be a good time.
Yeah. Going to have fun?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right.
Excited.
So we'll get back to you here in a moment.
Drowned too deep, no strength to fight. My God, so good, let me go yourself.
talk about re-instructing it. Photography is allowed in here, you just can't use a flash, and the exit's going to be towards the back behind the uniforms, and it'll bring you back out to the garden.
By the way, if I have not said it, these are the natural bridge caverns we're about to tour. So they're here just north of San Antonio, Texas, and I've heard good things about it, so hopefully it'll be a fun tour, or fun cave. Kind of tour yourself, I think. We'll see. Little secret, kind of have a thing for caverns and tunnels and stuff like that. I enjoy it quite a bit. Nice job on the ground. Very pretty. was a great tour. As you see, I'm a little hot and sweaty from the hike up, as well as water dripping on me throughout the tour. But it was a lot of fun. And I'll hear a couple of tour mates that I was walking with. Say goodbye, guys. You're going to be on YouTube.
See you later, man.
Anyway, it was a great tour. And hope you all enjoyed it. All right, everybody, so here we are. This is my last day in Texas, and wouldn't you know it, it's a gorgeous day. I've been here about 2.5 weeks, and I think we've had 4 days with sunshine. The rest of the time it has been raining. So other than that, I have loved Texas, but it's time to get on the road. So why don't you join me? We'll put everything away. Got to clean the tanks out, or the gray and the black tanks out, and just make sure I've got enough water in a freshwater tank for the emergencies, which I think I do. I think I got half a tank in there, so I should be good. And get on the road. So as you saw, I just did a pull test. I always do that even though I know the latch is on, just to make sure nothing's broken inside and it's going to hold. So I'm going to take the tire chocks off, put those away, and we'll be on our way. Okay. We'll set GPS and everything once we get out of this site. Let's see what happens. Oh, by the way, it's a sharp left turn after I get out of the site. So once this back wheel drops, I want to make sure we're not dragging the front pads, which I don't think we are yet. Well, it's the back end I'm worried about. How about the back corner? Oh no, you'll be fine. You'll be fine coming off. Not touching? No. Keep going. And we're clear. So the rear jack and sewage pipe is a little tight, but we cleared the rear end. So that's all good. All right, we made it out of this spot. Now we'll make the turn. As you see how sharp that is right there. Let's see what we can get done. So fortunately there was no damage to the rig, and got out of there okay. That turn to get out was a little tight. Put a couple tires rubbed up against the curb that they had on the other side there, but was able to make it out okay. Now it's time for the Patriot Games. So this one is going to be easy for many of you, but some of you, if you've never been there, it might be a little tough. All right, everyone, do you know where that is? If you know, click on the link below in the comments section, and on the contest page, it's my bucket list day /contest, and enter your guess there. Don't forget to enter the episode number, and good luck on that. All right, everybody, I just want to say thank you all for subscribing. And if you haven't, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that like button, and that little bell icon to let you know when I'm going to release another video, or when I do release another video. Don't forget to do something kind for a stranger. Thanks for watching, and make it a great bucket list day. Goodbye.